Jacked Factory's Creatine Monohydrate Powder is an unflavored supplement that provides 5,000 milligrams of pure creatine monohydrate per serving, ideal for pre- or post-workout routines. Based on extensive research, creatine monohydrate is recognized as the most effective form of creatine for enhancing athletic performance, muscle growth, and recovery. This supplement naturally boosts muscle growth by increasing strength, power, endurance, and muscle size, making it a valuable addition for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The high-quality creatine monohydrate powder is rapidly absorbed and formulated to minimize gastrointestinal discomfort, setting it apart from other forms. The product is manufactured in a cGMP-certified facility, ensuring it meets strict quality control standards and is free from harsh chemicals and artificial additives. Jacked Factory's creatine powder easily mixes with any liquid and can be combined with other supplements, offering versatility for any fitness regimen.